So a large part of what we do is preventative medicine. And so we do have regular annual vaccinations, maybe 3-year vaccinations depending on what the animals receive. There are 1-year and 3-year options for rabies and other vaccinations. But that's a big part of what we do. The goal with vaccinating animals is to prevent them from getting diseases, or if they do contract the disease, to prevent it from progressing to a much worse stage. Another large part of what we do is attempt to prevent parasites. And so heartworm prevention, making sure that animals are on heartworm prevention is a large part of our day. Making sure that we're making the correct choices for the people and their animals. There's multiple options for heartworm prevention. There are injectables that, there's 2 injectables on the market that last. One lasts for 6 months and one lasts for a year. If you ever feel that you forget to give heartworm prevention, the injectable for preventions are maybe ideal for you. That's what I use for my animals because I can give it once a year and don't have to worry about doing it every month. For some people, giving something every month, they remember, they set a reminder on their phone. They give these monthly preventions to help prevent heartworms. Some of the added bonus to heartworm prevention is that it takes care of intestinal parasites. Some of the heartworm preventions also take care of other parasites that may not be on the label, like mites is a common thing that we see, that we use a lot of the newer flea and tick preventions for. One thing that people commonly kind of misunderstand is that flea and tick preventions are not heartworm prevention, and so that's a large part of what we're doing, trying to communicate that yes, your animal is on a flea and tick prevention, but they should also be on a heartworm prevention. And it is confusing because some of the products have multiple medications in them, so you can have a product that is heartworm prevention and flea and tick prevention, and then you can have a product that is just heartworm prevention and then have a separate product that is just flea and tick prevention. So a large part of our day is spent communicating what these products are, how long they last. Some flea and tick preventions or one lasts for 3 months, and then the majority of them you give them once a month. And then some of the cat flea and tick preventions can be 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months. So there's a lot of communication and trying to help bridge an understanding of what those heartworm preventions are and what they do and what they cover.